The transfer is commencing.
Confirmed. Batch 7-Sierra cleared for staging.
The delicate high-purity carbon fiber preforms enter the carbon processing zone, moving along a magnetic levitation track towards the cleaning station.
The spectrometer analysis is vital, ensuring the 7075 grade alloy meets the extremely narrow aerospace tolerance limit.
A specialized ultrasonic scanner emits high-frequency waves, detecting microscopic voids within the resin.
The routing decision is formalized. As the quality checks pass for both Path A and Path B,
the aluminum billet is centered between the dies. The hydraulic rams engage, compressing the metal instantly to
The circular silver blanks are loaded onto specialized, high-capacity racks and moved into a massive industrial.
The partially machined silver hub is transferred to a robotic cell, where fine rotary brushes and specialized abrasive tools
Instruments. This chemical preparation is crucial for ensuring the subsequent hard anodizing layer adheres uniformly.
Submerged in the electrolyte, the hubs undergo type 3 anodizing. This grows a thick oxide layer, increasing wear resistance dramatically for the F-16s.
the gray-silver hubs are moved through a pressurized spray booth, where a clear, specialized sealant is applied, enhancing
Check localized work instruction 46B. We need the calibrated wrench for this batch.
Confirmed. Settings are uploaded.
Vaulting of the remaining hubs confirms the absolute completion and certification of Process A.
And amplifiers. This intense heat converts the carb to a highly ordered graphite structure, dramatically increasing its strength, hardness,
Ben, experience sprawa person.
The F-16 Block 70 Viper hub arrives at the mounting station. The specialized machine lubricates the bead and the...
We have absolute integrity across the hub structure.
Noted. The Viper is cleared for assembly.
This ring is crucial for providing accurate rotational data to the F-16's anti-skid braking system.
the definitive exit from the production facility. The newly manufactured landing gear assemblies now begin their journey toward the Chilean Air Force fleet.
Atención, moviendo carga.
The successful vertical deployments and performance of the F-16 Block 70 Viper's main landing gear and brake assembly are
65 degrees Celsius at the hub.
Well within limits.
Logged and confirmed.
Even after a high-stress landing, the structural components and braking material remain pristine, confirming the success of the dual-process pipeline.